Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat sore, good afternoon. This time I would like to show how to install WebCode on Android phone via Play Store and use it. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Lada 369. Today I will show you how to install the WebCode on application phone via Play Store and how to use it. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So if you are curious and want to learn coding on your phone, keep watching this video. Step 1. Open Play Store on your Android phone. First, make sure your Android phone is connected to the internet. Then open the Play Store application that's already on your phone. Like this, our tutorial about we get application about WebCode. First, click the Play Store in our phone. So we enter about the searches. So you must type WebCode like this. You must type WebCode. We code like this. If you get it WebCode HTML CSS IDE, you click. So if see like that, you must click install. Wait until a few minutes, you get it. This time base your internet connection is good, so the first edit. Wait. So before success in the screen, so I want us tell you about the in pedalaman Papua like this. So we using is a webcode for studying about how to make the website, so we can access as offline. After that, we can use it for every student in our school. This is information for this time. So beside we wait our installation success, I want to show you. So webcode HTML in our phone application. Wait a little time. Our screen phone, and then okay, like this. Wait a moment. Okay, this application we can check our screen mobile phone. So we check. Okay, this is webcode in success in our. So that's all my tutorial this afternoon. See you. Thank you very much.